Morning students, in the last class we have discussed about the food that come from the plants. As we have discussed about which part of the plant is responsible for giving us food. Number 1 root, second stem, third fruit, fourth leaf, 5 flower. In the last class we read about root and leaf. Today we will discuss about the stem. What is stem? A stem is actually a link between the root, leaf and flower. Means without stem, root, leaves and flower cannot be connected to it. Now the question is, what is the function of stem? Function of stem is to transfer the water and minerals from the root to the leaves, flowers and fruits. As in our home we use the motor to transfer the water from the ground surface to our top surface tank. So the pipe that connect from ground surface to the top surface act like a stem. So stem act as a connecting link between all these parts. Second function of stem is to transfer the food made in the leaves by the photosynthesis to the roots. So here the question arises is, who prepare the food in the plant? Answer is leaf. Second question is, by which process food is prepared in the leaf? By the photosynthesis process. Now the third question is, what is the photosynthesis process? The process that use the sunlight to make the food. Fourth question is, who transfer the food from leaf to root? Answer is, stem transfer the food from leaf to root. Now other question is, some stems stores also the food material. Means we cannot eat only the root and leaf of the plant. We eat the stem of the plants also. Example, onion, ginger, potato, that are actually the stem. They are not the leaf, fruit or flower. These are the stem. They are the source of the food. Some stems, they are used in our daily life. Clear? This is all about the stem. So what we have discussed, stem is that part of the plant that connect the root and the leaf and transfer the food from the leaf to the root. And some stem we can eat in our daily life. Now come to the other part of the plant, that is the flower. What is actually a flower? We use flower for decorative purpose in our daily life. There are lots of colors of flower we see in our daily life. Now we will discuss about the flower. Flower is actually a reproductive part of plant. Means it is responsible for coming of the next generation of the plant. Next question is, how flowers made? inside. Flowers are formed from the birds. Birds means flower in closed form. Where are flower attached? They are attached to the tip of the stem. Now the example of the flowers are: one is the clove, saffron, that is the actually flower. What is the use of flower? We use the flower as a food purpose, means the spices that we eat in our daily life are actually obtained from the flowers. Example is clove. Clove is actually, that is local name is long. It is obtained from a Syzygium flower. Other example is saffron. Saffron is actually a kesar. Kesar is obtained from the crocus flower. So that is the use of the flower. Clear? Now come to the other part of the flower. Other part of the plant that give us food. That is the fruit. What are fruit? Fruit that we eat in our daily life. Fruit is that part of plant which contains seeds inside it. Fruits are actually grow from flower. Fruits we can eat as in raw form, means we can eat the fruits without cooking form. Example is apple, mango, banana, papaya, grapes. Fruit contains what? That we should eat. Fruit contains sugar, vitamins, minerals. That's why the doctor advised us to eat fruit daily for our healthy life. So what we have discussed about today? Parts of plant. One is the stem, second is flower, and third is fruit. Clear, students? Kindly read the book on daily basis for your better concepts. Thank you.